Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to hide transaction on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up your Revolut and then log into your account. So I'm going to open up mine and I'm logging into my account here. So once you've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do now, okay, so here, so if you want to hide a transaction, simply open up the transaction. For example, under transaction I have a transaction here. So what you can do here, if you want to like just hide it, so all you have to do is simply click on it, click and hold on it and then swipe to your left. So just click on it and then swipe to your left. All right, and then you'll see this hide option here. So tap on the hide option and that will hide your transaction. So this is the easy and quicker way to do it. So all you have to do is just tap on it and then swipe to your left and then hit on the hide option and that will hide your transaction. So that's how you can hide transaction on Revolut. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.